Let's talk about redacted modifier in SwiftUI. Let's talk about redacted modifier in SwiftUI. So we're gonna create on this SwiftUI view redacted modifier. Create on this SwiftUI redacted modifier in SwiftUI. So what is redacted modifier? This modifier generates a placeholder for a view and grays out your content with the purpose of hiding it. In the code below we have added the redacted modifier. We're gonna create on this vstack and we're gonna create on this hashtag. We're gonna create on this text. Suppose this is a mobile number. We're gonna apply this title which have color on this. Suppose this is a red color. We're gonna apply this red color. Okay, we can resume on this text. This is a mobile number, and we're gonna apply this. We can create it in the other text. So this is a we're gonna create on the text 90. We can set on this mobile number. Suppose which have our mobile number, we can add on this mobile number. We're gonna apply this. Suppose this is a bold mobile number. We can set on this column mobile numbers. Okay, we can show on this code, our code. We're gonna apply. Today I'm going to describe redacted modifier in SwiftUI. So what is the redacted modifier? Generates a placeholder for a view and grays out your content with the purpose of hiding it. We're gonna apply this redacted modifier. Redacted reason dot placeholder. We can play. This is a placeholder. We can remove. So we can set on this placeholder, run on this statement. This is redacted text on this placeholder. Redacted. We can run on this. We can run on this simulator. Redacted modifier. Run on this application. Redacted modifier. This is a redacted modifier. So redacted modifier generates a placeholder for a view and grays out your content with the purpose of hiding of the placeholder. We can suppose in this situation, suppose redacted modifier used on this software. This is redacted. So we can use of redacted modifier. Suppose we have created on this. We're gonna apply this redacted modifier in this text dot redacted modifier reason dot placeholder. This is the redacted modifier. Apply on this redacted modifier. Remove this, not remove this text. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of redacted modifier in SwiftUI.